Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie.
Today's topic is very useful, very easy, and very important.
Yes, today we are talking about weather.
Weather is something we talk about every day.
Exactly. When you meet someone, you can talk about weather.
It's simple, safe, and friendly.
So if you are a beginner, this is perfect for you.
Before we start, don't forget.
Like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
All right, let's begin.
Part 1, Basic Weather Words.
Let's start with simple words.
Listen first.
Sunny.
Sunny means there is a lot of sun.
Example, it is sunny today.
Repeat after us.
It is sunny today.
Good job! Next word, cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds.
Example, it is cloudy today.
Repeat. It is cloudy today.
Next, rainy.
Rainy means it is raining.
Example, it is rainy today.
Say it again. It is rainy today.
Great, you are doing well. Part 2, asking about weather.
Now let's learn a question.
Listen carefully.
How is the weather?
Very useful question.
Repeat. How is the weather?
Now answer.
It is sunny.
Or,
It is rainy.
or,
It is cloudy.
let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
How is the weather?
It is sunny today.
Now you try.
Pause and speak.
Good job! You are improving already. Part 3, talking about temperature.
Now let's talk about hot and cold.
Very common words.
Hot,
Example, it is hot today.
cold.
Example, it is cold today.
Repeat both. It is hot today. It is cold today.
Now listen and choose.
If you wear a jacket, it is cold.
If you drink cold water again and again, it is
Hot.
nice. That was easy. Part 4, real life dialogue.
Now let's practice a real life situation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Ronald.
How was the weather?
It is rainy today.
Oh, is it cold too?
Yes, it is a little cold.
Now listen again.
Hi, Ronald.
Hi, Stephanie.
How is the weather?
It is rainy today.
Now, your turn.
Speak with us.
Part 5, more useful sentences.
Let's learn more sentences. It is very hot.
It is very cold.
It is a nice day.
This means good weather.
Repeat. It is a nice day.
Another one,
I like this weather.
example,
I like sunny weather.
or
I like rainy weather.
say your sentence.
Pause and speak.
Very nice. Part 6, daily life practice.
Now let's connect this to your life.
Answer these questions.
How is the weather in your city?
Is it hot or cold?
Do you like this weather?
Say your answers in English.
Even small sentences are okay.
Example,
It is hot today. I like it.
simple, easy, perfect. Part 7, repeat practice.
Now we repeat everything.
Listen and speak.
It is sunny.
It is cloudy.
It is rainy.
It is hot.
It is cold.
How is the weather?
It is sunny.
I like this weather.
Amazing work. Part 8. Talking about weather in the morning.
Morning is a very common time to talk about weather.
When you wake up, you can look outside.
Then you can say a simple sentence.
Example. It is sunny this morning.
Or, it is cold this morning.
Repeat after us. It is sunny this morning.
It is cold this morning.
Good job. Now a small conversation.
Listen first.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning, Ronald.
How is the weather this morning?
It is cool and cloudy. Now you try.
Pause and speak.
Very nice.
Part 9. Talking about weather in the afternoon.
Now afternoon.
In the afternoon, weather can change. Example: it is very hot in the afternoon.
Or it is windy in the afternoon.
Repeat: it is very hot in the afternoon.
New word, windy.
Windy means there is strong air.
Example: it is windy today.
Say it. It is windy today.
Great.
Part 10. Talking about evening weather.
Now evening.
Evening weather is often cooler. Example: it is cool in the evening.
Or it is nice in the evening.
Repeat: it is cool in the evening.
It is nice in the evening.
Conversation time.
Listen.
How is the weather in the evening? It is cool and nice.
Now you try.
Speak slowly.
Good job.
Part 11. Using very and a little.
Now we learn very and a little.
Very means strong. Example: it is very hot.
A little means small.
Example: it is a little cold.
Repeat.
It is very hot.
It is a little cold.
Now practice. Say one sentence with very.
Now say one sentence with a little.
Nice work. Part 12. Talking about what you wear.
Weather and clothes are connected.
Yes, we change clothes with weather. Example: it is cold. I wear a jacket.
Example: it is hot. I wear a t-shirt.
Repeat: I wear a jacket.
I wear a t-shirt. Now your turn.
What do you wear in hot weather?
Speak in English.
Good. Part 13. Talking about what you do.
Weather changes our activities.
Yes, we do different things. Example: it is rainy. I stay at home.
Example: it is sunny. I go outside.
Repeat: I stay at home. I go outside.
Now answer.
What do you do when it is rainy?
Say it.
Very good. Part 14. Asking friends about the weather.
Now let's talk with a friend.
Simple questions. How is the weather today?
Is it hot?
Is it raining?
Answer example.
Yes, it is raining.
No, it is not hot. Repeat.
Yes, it is raining.
No, it is not hot.
Part 15. Full daily conversation.
Now a longer conversation.
Listen carefully. Good morning.
Good morning.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
That is nice.
Yes, I like this weather.
What will you do?
I will go outside. Now listen again slowly.
Repeat with us. Now we practice again.
Listen and repeat.
It is sunny today.
It is rainy today.
It is cloudy today.
It is windy today.
It is hot today.
It is cold today.
How is the weather?
It is nice.
Now talk about your city.
Use simple English.
Example: my city is hot.
Example: it is sunny in my city.
Now you speak.
Take your time.
Good job. Part 18. Confidence practice.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. Speak slowly.
Use small sentences.
You are learning.
You are improving every day.
Part 19. Final practice conversation.
Let's do one last conversation.
Listen first. Hi.
Hi.
How is the weather?
It is hot today.
Do you like it?
No, I do not like hot weather.
What do you like?
I like cool weather. Now your turn.
Speak with us.
Very nice.
Wrap up. You did amazing today.
You learned many new sentences.
You can now talk about weather.
In the morning, afternoon, and evening.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak English daily.
Small steps every day.
Big progress.
Before we go, tell us.
How is the weather in your city today?
We want to hear your answer.
See you next time.
Bye.